back to another video. I'm gonna keep this intro nice, sweet, and short. I'm just going to be a late night POV, and I just want you guys to enjoy the sound of the 350Z, especially the VQ 35HR. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy this POV, and I will continue to drive for you. There's a mosquito in here that's flying around. I can see it. I can see it like through like the other car's lighting, and it's really annoying. I know he's trying to bite the shit out of me, and he knows too I'm trying to fuck it up. He knows I'm trying to smack that all on the flow, smack that, give me some more. For those that are wondering what exhaust system that I have the Motor Dyne Catback TDX2 Shockwave exhaust system, and I also have R pipes. So that is my exhaust setup currently. It is pretty quiet at idle and low RPMs, but once you hit that wide open throttle, that's where it gets really loud. I was about to go to bed, but for some reason I just wanted to drive the Z. So I'm recording this POV for you guys while I'm at it. I just needed to decompress and get some thoughts out of my head. So late night drives is what I do for therapy, to be honest with you. Whoa, what the hell is going up front here? I'm not sure what's going on over here, guys. This does not look good though. I'm gonna go around. Looks like there's gonna be a shootout in this bitch. Hell no. I am not gonna get caught in that shootout. Picked up vaping again. I mean, technically I was never a vapor. I just, you know, picked it up for like maybe 2 months, but and then I quit, and then I picked it up again. The juice that I'm smoking on is lime or lemonade with mango. Actually, Wendy's has a really good lemonade. Should you guys want to go to Wendy's and get some lemonade? I think we should do that. Currently my exhaust does rattle. Not too much, but you can definitely hear the rattling. And so it needs to be mounted correctly, especially towards the end of the exhaust. But nothing really to worry about. So if you do notice a little bit of rattling in the video here, that's because my exhaust is a little loose. Say hello to the chicken. Get the little chicken there.
Well, nowadays, how can I get started for you?
Yeah. Do you speak Spanish?
I'm sorry?
You speak Spanish?
Yes.
Okay. Can I get one medium all natural lemonade?
Okay.
And that's gonna be it. Yo, the chickens are out here. They out here at 12 a.m. bro. They out here getting lit as fuck at the drive-thru. Fucking chickens, bro. Those things are a trip. So I grew up when I was smaller. Obviously when I was smaller I grew up, right? But when I was a child, I grew up with chickens. My dad and my mom had a bunch of chickens. Every time I see a chicken, you know, I get excited, man. It just reminds me of my childhood. I used to carry those chickens, bro. I used to carry them like pets. And then when they would grow older, they would like fuck you up if you carried them. I like the smaller chickens, bro, not the bigger ones. You getting lit, mamas? Thank you very much, appreciate it. All right, let's taste this lemonade real quick and give it a rate. It's not watered down. That's some good shit. Yup. Oh, that's some grade A lemonade. Some grade A motherfucking lemonade. Sorry, bro. Let me turn, motherfucker. Shit. All right, so we're not going the same way we came through. I really don't trust cops, to be honest with you. They'll pull you over for some dumb little shit, and that's $300 right there, bro, over some dumb little shit. So I had this one cop pull me over. This is a while back. This is why I say I don't trust cops, because this little motherfucker wants to run it. The reason why I say I don't trust cops is because of this moment that I had with this female cop. And I'm not downplaying female cops. I'm just gonna say cop from now on, but just know it was a female. Yeah, I get pulled over in my Cobalt SS, and she pulls me over because my license plate light was out. And I was like, okay. In my head, or the last time I had seen my license plate light was probably like 30 minutes prior to me getting stopped, so I thought that shit was bullshit. I called bullshit on that. So I told her, I was like, hey, can I get off and check out the license plate for myself? And I said it respectfully and everything. And she said, no, stay in your car. And I was like, why can't I look at my license plate? She said, just sit in your car and I'll be back. So she went inside her car. I stayed inside the car, right? You know, respecting orders. So she walked back to my car. She gave me back my license and registration. And she said, have a nice day, sir. She got in her car fast. I mean fast. And she booked it. She booked it. I was probably about half a block away from my cousin's house. So